What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA SAGA.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you my thoughts about potential restoration of 2 days of trading of MMTLP stock. And I will show you what, in my opinion, might be the solution for this entire saga. So, and before we dive deeper into the news, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot, and this also helps us as a community to win this battle. And also please share this video with your friends and family, and this will allow us to spread this information to as many people as we can. And this will also help us to win this battle. So, let's start with the news. On frankness.com we can find this article that Congress is now investigating naked short selling fraud. And definitely it is the next step of this saga. And previously I've told you about I've told you about the letter from Congressman to George Palikaras with the several questions that might help to solve this problem on a congressional level. And here we have the next step of this saga, and let me quote this. Earlier this week we found out Congress was getting involved in this MMTLP scandal through a leaked letter sent out to Metamaterials CEO George Palikaras. However, a new letter from Congress details an ongoing investigation into naked short selling and other market fraud. Congressman Bill Posey said in a letter that he's been hearing from a variety of constituents on retail concerns involving MMTLP. While we have yet to be given evidence that anyone acted unlawfully or unscrupulously in this matter, I believe the regulatory agencies have an obligation to investigate this matter, said the congressman. But evidence has indeed surfaced. And definitely, when we will see this investigation on a deeper level, definitely we should have some answers on our questions. And a lot of people right now are anticipating the restoration of 2 trading days that was stolen from us, from the retail community, to cover all the illegal shorts and all the short positions on MMTLP shares. And that potentially might lead to extremely high prices of MMTLP share. But guys, to be honest, I don't think that it might happen. And let me explain you why I think so. First of all, MMTLP share was deleted back in December 2022. And right now we don't have this ticker symbol at all. On top of that, all the stocks right now, because of the spin-off, became the next bridge hydrocarbon shares. And we cannot make these shares tradable for 2 days. And we all know that all the shorts was switched from MMTLP shares to next bridge hydrocarbon shares. But we cannot restore this share to be tradable for 2 days because it is a private company. And this might be another violation of their own rules, of the rules of regulators. And this is the first bullet point why I think it cannot be restored. Secondly, in general, FINRA and SEC don't have any procedures that might restore these type of tradings when you can just close your short position and nothing more. This means they just cannot do it technically. Yes, so we had some experience from Robinhood when they just disabled the buy button in their application, but it is not the case. We have to see this on the next level, on the level of regulations, of regulators, and they don't have these rules how they can achieve this. That is why, in my opinion, we cannot wait for the restoration of these trading days. What might be the solution? I have to say that right now we have extremely high exposure on the Congress level and on the broader audience through the accounts of extremely famous people, even like Elon Musk. And that is why we have to do everything legally. And right now we have 3 lawsuits that was filed by Richard Hoffman, and he consistently posting and updates on his lawsuit. Next one. Basically, it is the first one that was filed back in December by Rosa Tawil, and she filed her lawsuit against FINRA. And next one is Alan Hensley, and he filed his lawsuit against multiple defendants, basically almost all of the broker-dealers and the authorities as well. That is why we have to wait for the results of these lawsuits. And I have to say that we cannot wait it in just next week or month. It might last even years before we will see first results. But in general, I have to say that authorities and the broker-dealers that were involved in the illegal activity of naked shorting, they are basically trapped. And because of this situation, definitely they should do something. But they don't want to make any mistakes, because FINRA already made it by issuing their FAQ on March 16th, and then they tried to solve this problem again, and then they updated this FAQ on March 27th, I guess, and it wasn't successful. We all know that they have a lot of misleading information and a lot of evidence that they basically violate some rules that they shouldn't do. And that is why, in my opinion, we have to see the results on a legal level that might be from the lawsuits. And I think, in general, we will see some kind of settlement. Because to solve the problem, we have to know the number of shares that were issued illegally. And we already have this inquiry from the Congress. And we have to see the blue sheets from all the broker-dealers and all the companies that might be involved in the process of illegal short selling. That is why when we will see these results, definitely it will be a major step towards our victory. And that is how we have to act in order to win this battle. But first of all, definitely we should unite, not only like MMTLP shareholders. This problem is much bigger. Naked shorting is on the market for decades, and we have to stop this illegal activity in order to prevent huge losses from retail community in the future. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got one